Welcome to your guide on the importance of home inspections in the dynamic Ontario real estate market. Home inspections are crucial in the real estate world. They offer a peek into a property's condition before finalizing the purchase. An effective home inspection can reveal potential structural issues, plumbing, or electrical concerns. Notably, it can protect you from unexpected repair costs. It's also a safety net against potential financial losses. Proper understanding of this process can provide peace of mind for future homeowners. Let's dive into the key elements. First, assess the structural integrity. Begin by examining the property's foundation for any visible cracks or signs of erosion, which could indicate problems with the structure's stability. Don't forget to scan the roof, an often overlooked part of the property. Check for any leakage points or signs of damage that could lead to future issues. Moving inside, inspect the walls and flooring for any significant damage, such as cracks, holes, or signs of water damage. The next crucial element to scrutinize is the electrical system. Make sure the wiring is not only up to date, also follows the latest safety standards. Inspect the electrical panel to ensure it has sufficient capacity to handle all the electrical needs of the property. Plumbing is another critical aspect. Look for any leaks or signs of water damage. Assess the water heater's condition, ensuring it functions properly and efficiently. Additionally, test the water pressure in various parts of the property. Following this, focus on the HVAC system. Evaluate the heating and cooling unit's age, their maintenance history, and check for signs of mold or mildew, which could indicate a moisture problem. Lastly, gauge the quality of the property's insulation and ventilation. These are crucial factors for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing moisture buildup. To ensure a thorough inspection, it's recommended to refer to reputable resources such as the Ontario Association of Home Inspectors, Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, and Tarion Warranty Corporation for more guidance. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to bravely explore the Ontario real estate market. Always keep in mind the importance of a meticulous home inspection. It's a minor investment that brings you major peace of mind. It can reveal unseen issues, saving you from costly mistakes. Remember, a thorough home inspection is a small investment that ensures your future home is a wise choice.